Welcome to FAL Academy. OV video from Character AI is now available on FAL. This is the first ever open source video model with native audio generation, and in this video we'll be going through everything you need to know about it. Just before we start, I've created a coupon with code OV which will give you $20 in free generations to test out the OV model. So to access it, just go over to the billing page and all you have to do is write OV here, redeem, and you'll get $20 in free generations. Part 1. Key model details. Firstly, OV supports text to video, where the main input is a text prompt which guides the model's video output. OV also supports image to video. In this case, the two main inputs are a text prompt and an image, which will be the start frame of the output video.
I am an artificial intelligence.
Now, in those two examples that we just saw, you might have noticed that OV has a prompt structure that we haven't really seen before. So let's go through the prompt of the image to video example we showed. Now, to explain what these tags are, the S marks the start of dialogue, while the E marks the end of that dialogue. So in this example, the dialogue is I am an artificial intelligence, and you can also describe things in brackets like soft whisper. So this is where the explicit dialogue will go. Now, between AUDCAP and ENDAUDCAP, this is where you describe audio that isn't explicitly to do with the dialogue. So for example, we've said soft whispering female voice, ASMR tone. The reason why this prompt structure is actually good is because now we have more granular control over the audio that's generated. Now I'll give a brief technical summary of OV. So here is its architecture diagram, and we'll cover three of the main features. The first is input and encoding. So OV takes a 5-second video and audio clip, encodes them into latent spaces, and adds noise for diffusion training. A shared T5 text embedding provides context, combining visual description, spoken lines, and audio cues in one prompt. The second are the fusion transformer blocks. So each block has self-attention within audio and video, and cross-attention between them and the text. This lets the model exchange timing and semantic cues, so lip motion, speech, and sound effects stay synchronized. Most layers are frozen for stability, with only cross-attention layers jointly trained. The third is the training objective. The model learns through a flow matching loss, predicting how to move noisy latents towards clean ones. This joint objective teaches both branches to generate video and audio together, forming one unified model instead of two separate ones. For more technical details, be sure to check out the GitHub page, which also includes a link to the paper. I will leave a link to this in the comments. Part 2. Key model strengths. The first is human-centric videos. For all of these, I'll show two examples and I'll have the full prompts in the description.
Who the hell is Mark? Is talent. It's all about authenticity. You got to be who you really are, especially if you're working.
Number 2 is multi-person dialogue.
It is the age of OV. I will never let that happen.
2. That place, Standfast Abbey?
Oh, you mean where the gulls have gone?
The third key strength is sound effects. Finally, OV is also good at generating videos with music. Part 3. Using OV on FAL. Now we're over at the FAL OV text-to-video playground page, and I'll walk you through this. So as we said before, for text-to-video, the main input is a text prompt, which will go in this section here. For the additional settings, we have negative prompt. Now this is where you put ideas that you wouldn't want to see in the output video. So for example, we don't want the output video to be jittery, we don't want bad hands, or blur, or distortion. So anything you want to avoid, put it here as a word. For the number of inference steps, this just controls how many times the video is denoised. 30 is a good default. If you put a very low one, then the video might end up being quite noisy, and if you put a very high value, then you might get strange artifacts, and it will also take longer for inference. There's also an audio negative prompt, so very similar idea to before. You just put ideas that you don't want to see in the final audio, so we don't want it to be robotic or muffled or echoey or distorted. We'll leave the seed as random, and for the resolution, it's 720p, but we can choose between any of these aspect ratios here. I'll just leave it at the default. So let's close these, and I will put this as my prompt. A knight removes their helmet in a misty field at dawn, looking toward distant ruins with weary eyes. He says, in a low, resolute tone, "The war ends with me." Soft metallic rustle of armor, birds faintly in the distance, slow exhale. And we can just run this here. So here's the video we get.
The war ends with me.
Very nice. And then we can just click here and here to download. Now we're over at the file OV image to video playground page, and I'll walk you through this as well. All of the parameters are actually the exact same as before, including the additional settings, but the only difference is that now we can have an input image. So I'll choose this image here of the hooded figure from the thumbnail, and I'll choose this as the prompt. So a hooded wanderer walks across a shattered glass desert at night, carrying a flickering lantern under shifting auroras. Dust drifts through the air and colorful light reflects off the broken ground. And the audio is soft wind blowing, faint glass chimes, footsteps crunching on shards, gentle lantern flame flicker. And then we'll just run this. For the final thing, if you're a developer, then make sure to head over to the API page, which is on every model playground, and here you'll find detailed steps on how to integrate OV into your own platform. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave any video ideas or questions you might have in the comments, and don't forget to check the comments for the important links. Also, don't forget to use the coupon with code OV for $20 in free generations. For now, I'll catch you in the next one.